Today we are here to learn about the goodwill adjustment when there is negative sacrificing ratio in the chapter of admission of a partner. Yes, guys, negative sacrificing ratio. In that situation, what will be the goodwill adjustment? Let's take up the question. A, B, C, old ratio between A and B 3:2. C ka old ratio, of course, it's not there. So old partners are A and B only 3:2. New ratio is given in the question 3:5:2. It's given in the question. C is admitted for which he brings goodwill amount of 20,000. Oh, he's bringing goodwill amount in cash. 20,000 is bringing cash. And he is bringing capital of 60. Goodwill of 20 and capital of 60. Total 80,000 Mr. C is bringing. Show various entries relating to goodwill and impact on partner's capital. Okay? So we are asked to show about goodwill. So first of all, we need to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Okay, now have a look at it. The answer starts here. Earlier, only A and B were partners. And let us say that the profit was 100 rupees. Suppose the profit is 100 rupees. A and B were the partners. And the ratio was 3:2. There it is given. So Mr. A used to get 60 rupees. Mr. B used to get 40 rupees. 60, 40, total 100. Now, suppose the profit is 100 after admission of Mr. C. Again, the profit is 100. It will be distributed to A, B, C in the ratio 3:2. It's given in the question. So A gets 30, 50, 20. Okay. Well, let's talk about the sacrifice. Mr. A was earlier getting 60 rupees, but with the admission of partner C, now he's getting only 30. Mr. A was earlier getting 60, but now he's getting only 30. So, Mr. A has sacrificed 30 rupees. Sacrifice of rupees 30 by Mr. A. Earlier, Mr. B was getting 40. Now he's getting 50. Oh my God. With the admission of a new partner, Mr. B is gaining. Earlier he was getting 40. Now he's getting 50. Oh, he is making a gain. He is making a gain of rupees 10. This is a very rare occurrence. Generally, what happens? Okay, when a new partner is admitted, say Mr. C, so both A and B sacrifice. But in this case, C is admitted. A has sacrificed 30 rupees. But B has gained 10 rupees. And how about C? C got 20 rupees now. Earlier, Mr. C was not getting anything from this firm. Mr. C was not getting anything from this firm. Now he's getting 20. So can we say gain of 20? Gain of rupees 20. Can we understand in this fashion also? Let us say earlier, Mr. C was getting 0. Only A and B used to share, he was not a partner. Earlier he was getting 0, now he is getting 20. It exactly matches. You check it out. A's sacrifice of 30 exactly matches with gain of 10, gain of 20. His 30 rupees is taken by this two. 10 plus 20 is 30. Sacrifice of A is gained by Mr. B and Mr. C. Correct. Why it is called as a negative sacrificing ratio? See, this is the old stuff. This is the new stuff after C has come. This is the old stuff. This is the new stuff. Old minus new. Earlier, that is old, he was getting 60. Now he is getting 30. The 60 minus 30 is positive 30. Old is 40, but now it is 50. So if you do 40 minus 50, it will come to minus 10. Old minus new. This sacrifice. 40 minus 50 is minus 10. So basically, negative sacrifice means that partner is not sacrificing. In fact, he is gaining. मिस्टर सी के आने से बी को फायदा हुआ है. So negative sacrifice becomes gain. Okay. Sure. Now let's talk about goodwill adjustment. C is bringing 20 for goodwill, 60 for capital. So total C is bringing 80,000. So see here. Cash account debit 80 and C gave this 80,000. So first we will do cash to C 80. We give credit of 80,000 to Mr. C. So his capital we are saying is 80. But then we realize that no, out of that 20,000 is goodwill. And that goodwill should not go to Mr. C's account. The beauty of goodwill adjustment in admission of a partner is goodwill amount is brought by Mr. C. Mr. C is the giver, but it will not go in C's capital. Do you know the beauty of goodwill adjustment in the chapter of admission of a partner? The beauty is goodwill amount is brought by C. C is the giver of that money. Goodwill ka paisa. C is the giver of the money, but the credit will not go to giver Mr. C. The credit of that money will go to the partners who are sacrificing. That is, it will go to the old partners. Capital का पैसा जो लेके आएगा, when the new partner brings the money for capital, it will go to his account only. But when the new partner brings the amount in the name of goodwill, it will go to the other partners in the sacrificing ratio. It will go to the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. Goodwill का पैसा लेकर आता है वो, यानी सी, लेकिन जाएगा दूसरे दो के खाते में in the sacrificing ratio. That is the beauty. Now C is bringing 20 and 60, 80. So see here, first entry, cash account debit to C's capital 80. But sir, out of this 20 is goodwill, na? So why you have credited C's account with 80? Just a minute. 20 plus 60, 80. So cash to C's capital 80. See the posting of this 80? C's capital credit 80. See here? C's capital credit 80. See here? Okay? So this is the plus side for partners, na? When you write here, their capital keeps on increasing. So at the end, when they retire or at the time of death, they get more money. So when you write here, it is a reward for them, their capital increases. And when you write something over here, it is negative. When you write something in partner's capital over here, it is like taking away from partner. The more you write here, they will be happy. The more you write there, it is like taking away from them. They will be sad. So, full 80,000 we have credited to Mr. C. But sir, इसमें से 20 तो goodwill है. And you said that goodwill should actually go to the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. Just a minute. First, I have given full credit of 80 to Mr. C. Next entry में I am going to debit C. Next entry में I am going to take away the money. 20k. Goodwill का 20k. So C में से 20k ले लो and give it to A and B in the sacrificing ratio. Now this is A and B. Only A is sacrificing. B is not sacrificing. You have to put in sacrificing ratio. A is sacrificing. B is not sacrificing. So full 20,000 will go only to A, nothing to B. Let's do the posting. C's capital account debit 20. Oh, so you have taken away from C. Yes. First I credited full 80. Then I took away 20 from C. C's capital account debit 20 to A's capital account. Credit will go to A. So what is happening over here? With respect to 20,000, what is happening? C के अकाउंट में से ले लिया और A को दे दिया. Okay, so A is plus 20. A is very happy. 20,000 उसके खाते में आ गया और C के खाते में से 20,000 is gone. So the entry is C to A. Sir, why you have not written anything in B? Because sacrifice नहीं किया है B ने. Okay. By C's capital. Okay. Okay. So now see the position of C. Credit of 80, but you have taken away 20. So C is now getting only 60 in his account, and that is how it should be. Actually he brought 80, लेकिन उसके खाते में खाली 60 गया. 20 transfer कर दिया from C to A because A has sacrificed. Now friends, whenever there is negative sacrifice, that is gain by the old partner, one extra entry, hidden entry, silent adjustment you have to solve on your own. And what is that? What is that? Abhi Mr. C ने, Mr. C is gaining, see here, this is Mr. C, C is gaining. अभी Mr. C ने अपने खाते में से A जो सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है उसको दे दिया. C ने A को दे दिया. सी C ने अपने खाते में से A को दे दिया. बिकॉज C को गेन हुआ है. पहले तो उसको कुछ नहीं मिलता था, 0, अभी उसको 20. नाउ B इज ऑल्सो गेनिंग. Boss, the silent adjustment is the gaining partner should transfer from their account to the sacrificing partner. Gaining partner has to transfer to the sacrificing partner. C ने transfer कर दिया अपना 20,000. Now B also is gaining. Now B has to transfer to A. Please see here, beautiful. Gaining partners कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट. अगर हम किसी पार्टनर का कैपिटल डेबिट करते हैं, मतलब यू आर टेकिंग अवे फ्रॉम दैट पार्टनर एंड गिव द क्रेडिट to sacrificing partner. So in this sum, who is gaining? C is gaining. And who is sacrificing? A. तो C to A हो गया, ये रहा C to A by default हो जाएगा, but extra entry B is also gaining. So gaining partner B, तो B के कैपिटल में से निकालो, और सेक्रीफाइस कौन कर रहा है? बेचारा A सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है, तो B के खाते में से निकाल के you transfer it to A. But the point is how much? Please try to understand why should A sacrifice? When the new partnership deed is signed, because C is now admitted as a partner, when the new partnership deed is signed, why should Mr. A agree to this ratio? If Mr. A agrees to this ratio, he is sacrificing. Future mein, he is sacrificing. And these two are gaining in future. Because now the partnership deed has changed, the profit sharing ratio has changed. So these two are going to gain. He is going to sacrifice. So do you think Mr. A is mad to sign the partnership deed? No. Mr. A ने बोला, I will sign the deed. I am going to sacrifice in future. I will sign the deed, but transfer some amount from your account to my account. तो मिस्टर ए सी के पास से भी मांगा, मिस्टर ए बी के पास से भी मांगेगा. बट हाउ मच? बी के पास से कितना? वेरी सिंपल. सी के पास से उसने कितना लिया? 20. सी के पास से उसने कितना लिया? 20. So you can calculate from here. For gain of 20, just a minute. जहां मैं लिख रहा हूं जरा देखो बराबर से दिख रहा है कि नहीं. मिस्टर सी गेन एंड ट्रांसफर अमाउंट या कॉम्पेंसेशन. जरा बच्चे लोग ये दिख रहा है कि आपको? जरा देखो. नहीं दिख रहा है. जस्ट अ मिनट. Okay, just a minute. I will find out some place somewhere. Let me do it over here only. Okay, see. Gain amount transferred. जरा देखो आपको. C उसको गेन हुआ है ₹20 का. सी को गेन हुआ है ₹20 का. उसने कितना अमाउंट ट्रांसफर किया? 20,000. देखो सी के खाते में से 20,000 गया गुडविल वाला. तो अमाउंट ट्रांसफर्ड इज 20K. अच्छा, बी को कितना गेन हुआ है? ₹10. See here, gain of 10. तो 20 रुपीज का 20,000. तो 10 रुपीज का कितना? इफ यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 10K. The amount over here is 10K. Very simple. Gain of 20 rupees to C. Correct? Earlier, A, B, C was not a partner, so he was not getting anything. Earlier, he was not getting anything, 0. Now he has become a partner, he's getting 20 rupees. So from 0, he's getting 20 now. So his gain of 20. This fellow, 40 का 50 मिलेगा, gain of 10. So for 20 rupees gain, 20,000 is the goodwill. So for 10 rupees gain, how much? See here. Gain 20 rupees, 20,000. Gain 10 rupees, how much? So guys, you have to now post this. This is the hidden entry whenever there is a negative sacrificing ratio. B capital debit 10. Guys, B's capital is debit of 10. B. ये. So B में से 10 निकाला और A को दिया. શું થયું પ્રતાપ? A में 10,000, B to A. तो B में से 10,000 निकाला और A में डाल दिया. B में से निकाला, A में डाला. It means B is transferring 10,000 from his account to A. Yes, guys. Gaining partners C and B. C is gaining, B is gaining. So C and B has to transfer to the sacrificing partner A. देखो A का पहले उसको 20,000 मिला उसके खाते में प्लस अभी 10 मिला. Right? The entry is B to A. B to A. So A को देखो, A बेचारा sacrifice कर रहा है, but do you think he's mad? No. A के खाते में 20 आया, 10 आया, उसको 30,000 रुपीज ट्रांसफर हुआ, फिर उसने डीड साइन किया. A के खाते में 20,000 कहां से आया? C ने दिया. B के खाते में A के खाते में 10,000 कहां से आया? B ने दिया. Remember this dialogue. The gaining partner has to compensate the sacrificing partner. So the extra entry is B's capital account debit. Yes. So to A's capital. To A's capital, 10,000 rupees. Correct? So friends, what a beautiful situation this was. It is a question on admission of a partner, but out of two old partners, one of them is gaining. Normally, both the old partners, let us say there are two old partners, तो normally old partners sacrifice करते हैं. But in this case, one of the old partner is gaining. What a beautiful question. When we try to calculate the sacrificing ratio of one of the partner, we get a negative answer. Negative sacrifice means gain. Remember one thing, whenever you are doing partnership, whenever you are doing goodwill adjustment, remember one thing. Gaining partner has to compensate the sacrificing partner. Gaining partner has to give something from their capital account to the sacrificing partner. Have a look over here. C. Account debit. Debit means we are taking away 20,000 from C. We are taking away 20,000 from C because C is a gaining partner. We are taking away 10,000 from B because B is a gaining partner. So gaining partner account debit. Debit means you are taking away and you are transferring it to the sacrificing partner A. Correct? Remember this journal entry, gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner capital account. Now, these two are gaining in our example. If you see that distribution of 100 rupees, you will see that C is gaining rupees 20. And he brings goodwill amount of 20,000. C is gaining rupees 20 in that distribution of 100 rupees, 20,000. B is gaining 10. How much? When you cross multiply, you will get 10,000. So C has to transfer 20,000 in the name of goodwill. C has to transfer 20,000 in the name of goodwill. B has to transfer 10,000 in the name of goodwill. And B and C both have to transfer to A. Only then Mr. A will sign the partnership deed. Friends, do not forget to subscribe for more such videos, more logical, conceptual videos on accounts and costing. That's all in this session.